Everyone, this is Fiktxuncrypto back at it again with another video. I know we haven't made a video in a while, and I'm excited to drop another video on the timeline. And we're going to talk about XRP price, what I believe that we will see on the upside and the downside of this trend, and hopefully we are back in a bull market. I know we've been waiting on XRP to have some price appreciation for the longest. I've been in this myself since 2020. I've seen the ups and downs. I've seen the $1.80 price. I've seen the 12-cent price. So, hey, we are looking forward to the future. A lot of new on-chain activity is coming to the XRP ledger and it's actually already here. People have been building some wonderful, wonderful solutions. We'll get into that on our next videos up and coming. But let's get to this intro. If you're already not following us on Twitter right now, go ahead and drop a like, a subscribe, and a follow on Twitter and our YouTube to get the latest updates on the XRPL market. And we're going to go over a couple of other tokens. I like a bunch of different of these technologies. I love just seeing the innovation in this space. Also, I'm a web developer now. I'm in school. I'm learning how to code. I'm learning the C# language. I'm working on the .network framework right now, which is a great thing for me because, like I said, when I got in here, my story. I started this thing when I was homeless, basically. Well, it wasn't homeless initially, but going through this journey, I became homeless, kept dropping these videos, and I was like, I'm going to get my foot in this space somehow. So I started making these videos covering these technologies, and now we're here a couple years later, and I could not be happier. So if you are not following us, like I said, go ahead and drop us a follow and a subscription. We have a lot of things coming, trust us. We are sitting at 54 cents, and I wanted to make this video very short because the other day on my Facebook I dropped a synopsis or an analysis of what I was looking at. I think if we can stay at this price point right here above 54 cent, we are going to see some huge price appreciations. But let's go over both sides. I think we might go to 40 cents after seeing a negative 25% drop in price over the last 5 days. And I released this analysis about 3 days ago on October the 4th. So it's still kind of playing out right now. We're consolidating in this price zone. As you see, that price was about 52 cents. Currently, we are up about 1% on that price. So, we are sitting in the zone. But let me continue reading this. I said, after the 25% drop in price over the last 5 days, if we don't hold the 49 to 53 cent zone, I'm looking for that price to go to 40 cents. Um, I'm also looking for a liquidity sweep at 43 cents. The charts are simple. Being patient is not. I also see possibilities of us going back to 36 cent. XRP moves totally different and obsolete from all other cryptocurrencies in the market. It moves like a foreign exchange currency, very swift, very fast, and these levels get swept quickly. So let's see what else we put. I said, if we get down to these levels and if we don't hold this 53 cent level or 49 cent level zone, I'm looking for a buy order for me to set at 37 cent to the 45 cent price range if we fail these zones. Price action was to continue to stabilize at this price zone of 49 cent to 53 cent. I believe we can see a 105% move to the upside. This price level, or excuse me, I got this price level and this 105% move prediction from using my Fibonacci tool. And if we get to the 3618, we'll be looking at $1.05 to $1.10. I needed to see this 59 cents to 63 cents. And if we can close over 66 cents, I believe we will see positive price action for XRP. XRP does not follow the price action of any other crypto. I trade on weekly and monthly time frames because for me it is easier to see the market like that. Just looking at some of the previous history in July 2023, we kind of had a similar setup right here. And I am looking at my weekly chart. We had a very similar setup. I have my liquidity zone right here and my price that I see a lot of action is being taken, either bouncing off of this price level or trading right below it and coming right back to it. So this move right here is a 1 week candle, and in that week we made a 105% price a 105% appreciation in price. And this was really a rapid move. I'm saying 105% in 1 week is absolutely insane. But these are the things we can expect with XRP because of how it moves. So we are having a similar setup right here, which, let's see, I'm gonna break this down on the daily real quick. And as you see, we are trading below our moving averages. This is what I like to see because we are still bouncing off of this price zone. And a lot of people are looking at this like, hey, we have a price that is failing. But look at this. We are not trading below these lower lows right here. We're actually trading higher and higher than before. So this is what you have to do. You have to look into this even deeper. And I'll go into a 1 hour chart to show you some of that price action right now is actually trending up. And as you can see on the hourly chart, just from this price zone, we are trading above our moving average. But let's go back to the weekly because this is what I like to trade off of. Boom. What a mess. And like we say, a $1.05 price prediction. If this price is able to make that same move, that 105% return was made in 1 week. I believe we can see that right here. XRP is primed to set up for a spectacular move to the upside. A lot of on-chain activity, a lot of real-world assets, a lot of companies, a lot of major corporations are building right now. A lot of money is being spent on development, research, and things of that nature on the XRP ledger. We have Ripple coming out with a stable coin. They're already testing it. We've seen already over easily $50 million in the RLUSD stablecoin being minted on test networks, which is great. And we are expecting something spectacular to happen. I know everybody's been in this market for a while, so hold your horses, know what you hold, and continue to research. We will be covering DeFi because during these downtrends and uptrends and periods of stagnation in the market, we want to be able to leverage our assets in order to make more money and make and receive more assets. So everybody, I hope this video was good for you, nice and short. This is Fiktxun Crypto. You all have a great day.